Hey everybody, this is Graven. I just wanted to show off a couple new sabers I had. One I've been working on, I worked on Tim for a little while, was the Mara Jade that I've been working on, my own. I love that look of that saber. It didn't come out perfect. I have my mace over here because I want to do a comparison with the two lights. The purples that I'm doing, they're a little bit different. And then I also just add one, this is parts that I had left over. I was going to make a Mara Jade out of this. Then I added a thin neck section and drilled some holes out. So, but the main for this is the Mara Jade, and the reason I'm doing a video instead of just taking pictures because I kind of messed up a little bit on it and thought I'd say that instead of type it. And where I messed up was on the grips. Don't know how you can tell, but I had a really bad drill day. The drill press and me didn't get along. We started getting along, everything was going good, and then all it takes is one hole. I messed up one hole, and instead of putting it down and walking away, I just kept going, and that is what you end up with. Sometimes it's better just to walk away. So I've already contacted Tim to see if I can get him to make me another piece, because I'm happy with the way that the blade holder came out in the section up top here, but I would like to redo this section down here and see if I can make it better. That is the on-off switch. I'm using a construction kit soundboard in here, and I actually have a little piece of metal that I'm going to be putting in there. I'm just waiting to find out if this is going to be the hilt or if I'm going to be using another one. And basically it's just going to protrude up a little bit, so you won't even hardly notice it there. It actually fits quite perfectly in there, so that'll look good when it's done. But, you know, I got the parts and pieces that I needed, most of it from Custom Saber Shop. I got these two little chrome knobs from Lowe's, and I got the grips from JK Sabers on eBay, and also the box from Park Sabers. But here it is, Mara Jade. So I'm going to turn off the lights, and I'll show you how the color looks on this one. Now I'm overdriving. I'm using a power extender on that, and I'm overdriving. You can see it's not complete dark here, but I'm overdriving it using a power extender, and I'm using the RBG that comes with the Joe Construction, only because I was only getting a couple hundred more milliamps out of it. There it is compared to the RBG, the Rebel, that I used in the mace. And turn that off again. You can see there. And here's next to a green that I used. See if I can turn this back down again. There we go. So I like the way that the light comes out. I drilled those holes in there. I had a good drill day on this day. That's where the blade retention screw. This one, I just haven't put it in. It's in there pretty tight on this one. I'm waiting for a bubble strip to come for down here to fill that in. Once I'm done with that, the saber will be done as well too. And then, but there it is. It's loud enough, and it works pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'll be a lot happier with it once I can get the new hilt section. But there it is. There's my explanation of why it's not done yet.